Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the RocRow L8058 DTF printer machine with XP600 printhead. I've looked through the internet, specifications, and user discussions to help you decide whether this printer is actually worth buying or not. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. Right away, the RocRow L8058 is designed as a beginner-friendly DTF printing solution. It uses an XP600 printhead, which is known for delivering faster printing speeds and better reliability compared to some older printer heads used in entry-level DTF machines. With this printhead, the printer can produce detailed prints at resolutions up to 2880x1440 dpi, which means your designs can come out sharp, vibrant, and professional when transferred onto fabric. One of the biggest highlights of this bundle is that it includes almost everything you need to start printing. Many packages come with DTF ink bottles, transfer film rolls, DTF powder, cleaning liquids, and even sample t-shirts, along with software and setup tutorials. Some versions even include a pre-installed laptop and heat press, making it a complete starter kit for people who want to start a small t-shirt printing business from home. Another very useful feature is the white ink mixing and circulation system. Anyone who knows about DTF printing knows that white ink can easily clog printer heads if it sits for too long. This system continuously mixes the ink to keep it flowing properly, helping prevent blockages and keeping the print quality consistent. Along with that, the printer also includes an automatic cleaning system and waste ink collection, which helps maintain the machine and reduce manual maintenance. The RocRow L8058 also supports a wide variety of fabrics. You can print designs for t-shirts, hoodies, bags, hats, shoes, and even materials like denim, polyester, and leather. That flexibility makes it appealing for small businesses or custom printing services that want to produce different types of merchandise. In terms of size and operation, this is an A4 printer, meaning the maximum print size is roughly around standard paper size. That's perfect for logos, chest prints, and small graphics, but it's not ideal if you plan to print very large designs or mass-produce garments on a bigger scale. Of course, there are a few things to keep in mind. Like most DTF printers, there is a learning curve if you're completely new to garment printing. You'll need to learn the workflow of printing onto transfer film, applying DTF powder, curing the print, and then heat pressing it onto the fabric. Maintenance is also important with these machines, especially keeping the printhead clean and running the printer regularly to avoid clogging. Overall, after looking through the specifications and online feedback, the RocRow L8058 DTF printer looks like a solid entry-level DTF printing solution for beginners and small businesses. The XP600 printhead, auto cleaning system, white ink circulation, and complete starter bundle make it a convenient option for people who want to start custom apparel printing without buying multiple separate machines. So should you buy it? If you're planning to start a small t-shirt printing business, Etsy shop, or custom clothing brand, the RocRow L8058 could be a great beginner-friendly setup. But if you plan to run a large production business with high daily output, you may eventually want to upgrade to a larger A3 or industrial DTF printer. Thanks for watching, and if you want to check out the latest price and availability for the RocRow L8058 DTF printer machine, make sure to check the link in the description below.